How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. My name's Dion, aka Threat, and today we're going to be taking a look at my dad's new Lexus LX570. The most LX trademark thing ever, the split tail gate. I meant to say tailgate, whatever. Anyway, we got third row seating. We got the regular row seating. I need to work on my car reviews, guys. This is gonna be like a first car review. I'll look into it. We'll pack this up. Oh, and it does have the premium Mark & Vision sound system, which I will now show. Oh my god, of course my stuff is... We're gonna redo that part. And within the first compartment... All right, and now we're gonna be going into the front here. We got this beautiful tan looking interior. That's, whoa, what was on my hands? Is that hair on my hands? Mark & Vision reference sound. We got dual climate control. We got the beautiful Lexus clock. Trim that is absolutely stunning with some bezel, like stainless steel looking thing. We got leather wrapped, we got leather wrapped dash. And I want you guys to just listen to the quality of the sound out here and wait till I step inside and close this door. Completely quiet. That is the beauty of this truck. This truck is so quiet, it's not even funny. Man, this thing is so comfortable, it's not even funny. So the first errand we're gonna run for me is my mother wants okay, I'm gonna go get a cake for my grandmother. I don't know what type yet. It might be a fruit tart, it might actually be tiramisu. We're gonna find out, but we're gonna go we're gonna go us. Come on, Dion. I just realized I took the wrong turn. Oh my god. We're gonna do a bit of an illegal maneuver here. Illegal maneuver has been completed, allegedly. What are you doing? You can drive faster than 28 miles per hour in a 40. No, of course not. What you're gonna do is cause us to wait at a light now. This is another thing about this vehicle. It makes me feel like I can run over that vehicle without any consequences. Excuse me. Sorry about that, guys. I think we're going to keep this car for a long time. This vehicle just had its front Yeah, can you pay attention on the road, Grandma? God! We got the front differential fluid change, the rear differential fluid change, and do you have the brain of a pebble? All right, we're gonna make our way on the highway now with this beautiful thing. Oh, it shifts like butter. We got the transmission fluid flushed and changed. Well, not flushed, just changed with the filter, I believe. And this is a highway, ma'am. You can drive 65. That's the speed limit, yeah. You know, when people are on the highway, they're more than likely going 65. So in order to join them, you got to go 65 as well. Sometimes this thought doesn't really go through some people's minds. Oh, and how am I forgetting this? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I am so sorry to add this in as an editor's note. All right, wait, what am I saying? Okay, Dion, let's pause for a second. This is future Dion after editing the video. Not really. This is future Dion doing... Whoa! Hey guys, I'm actually gonna... Hey guys, just gonna bump in here because I completely forgot in the beginning of this video to mention this. Thank you guys so much for 1,000 subscribers. That means the world to me. I am so happy about this, and that is why I am out here in 30-degree weather making a video about a truck that I do not own. Thank you guys so much for the support and your continued support, and I really hope you guys enjoy the rest of my content. Back to the video. What a great job Lexus has done with these What a great job Lexus has done for this duality of a vehicle. Very good job. All right, we're making it to my destination. I'm gonna have to cut the film because I'm sure not many people want a guy with a cat with a GoPro on it to be roaming around looking for cake. So pause, that's not what, anyway. All right guys, well that sucked. Turns out Dorothy Lane Market does not carry fruit tarts when it's the holiday season. With that being said, we're gonna make our way to Whole Foods, aka Dorothy Lane Market 2.0, to see if they have a fruit tart for me. Yippee, let's get going. Let's get going. All right, this is another angle, but this is not on my head. This is with my hand. And we obtained the fruit tart. We did it. So, with that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you can, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what I can do better in the next video. Thanks again for 1,000 subscribers. We hit a milestone, and I am very happy about it. Until the next video, until I see you guys next time, stay safe out there. No, that doesn't seem right. Until next time, guys, hopefully the car season starts up soon. I can get some more content. But until then, I hope you guys, why can't I say an outro? All right, thank you guys so much for watching this weird review for this LX570 that my father has purchased. And no, that sounds... Thank you guys so much for watching this review on my dad's LX570, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Please check out any other videos of mine that I've posted. Hopefully this one is shorter, and if not, I will make sure to make shorter ones in the future. See you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.